Okay, one of the most frustrating things I've found is when you need to update the tags on your products, it can be really cumbersome to go in and out of every single product to edit the tags. I'm going to show you a way better and faster and easy way to do that right now. So the way that you do this when you need to update tags in bulk on your products in Shopify, and a lot of people don't know this exists, is you go right over here to first select all of your products, right? So, or you could check box for all the ones you know you need to edit. And then you've got right here this button, bulk edit. So now I click on bulk edit, it opens up this spreadsheet style thing for me. And then it doesn't matter what you need to update, you can go in and do it here. So if you need to update quantities or you need to update one of these columns, you can. Now, quantities blurred out for me because I sell ebooks. I'll link to it down below just so you can check out what my site's like. But I need to update tags. So the next thing I need to do is go to this columns. It's not obvious that that's there. Go to this column section and click on tags. Now tags shows as an option for me over here. So you can see tags right here, and you can move these around, I believe so, or you used to be able to. But you can go in here and then you can add your tag. So now I can type in a tag or add a new tag. So this one is about AI SEO, right? Because that's what my channels and my site is about. So now I can add those tags, and I can add multiple tags as well. Do it in bulk, save it, and save my tag updates across all of my Shopify products. Now stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to use smart collections after this. So check out the next video as well. Catch you in the next video.